I know what you're thinking. What in the hell is he up to now? You'll see. So what I want to do is find the center of this thing. It's about 12.5. So we'll mark it at 6.25. And then it's about 1.5 inches. So we'll mark it at, stop it, 3/4. Sorry. So we want to go about right here. And then what we're going to do is drill a goddamn hole. So if you're anything like me, you've got more battery tenders than you do plugs. And since this thing is not going to be driven on a daily basis, this is a step bit. You can get it anywhere. We're going to want to set this. We're going to want to set this thing up for taking a charge. And you don't want it to get stuck because you're going to have to pull this off to change the battery. So every time you buy a battery tender, it comes with one cord. So I found these on Amazon. They're about that long and come with a plug on each side. So cut the plug end off that you don't want. And then we're going to put some connectors on them. These ones are the shrink wrap kind. You don't have to use the shrink wrap kind if you don't want to. This is the old nut. These are 6mm nuts. So, you know, why not put on a new shiny one? Ouch. It's still a little warm. I think I could probably rotate this around. Like that. Why not? Yeah. How do I probably, yeah, why not? We need the plus. And a washer. It's a little inconvenient. The alternative is to see if we can take this out. Yes, we can. We'll put it on this side. Like so. Hold on. Put a square end on it. Now we're golden. Somewhere around here, I had a goddamn wrench. That's gonna touch. Ah! Some of you are just anxiously awaiting for me to spark that up. And this is going to be the semi-difficult part, but thread it through the hole. Now we can get a nice little grommet and stick it in there, or when you're traveling you could just put it like that. When you get home and you're going to store it for the next time you drive it, till whenever that is. For some of you guys up north, it could be months. And you can just plug it in, hook in your trickle charger, boom, Bob's your uncle. Here's what we used. It's on the Amazon. Some shrink wrap to fit, eyelets, and we're ready to charge it up. Y'all have a good day. Stay well.